Hi, it's me.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello, it's me. How? How you doing?
So Hamilton won one of these calendars, Christmas calendar, and we opened door number 1 with me. And there we had this nice crispy seeds. I love the idea. Oh, is he done already? Oh yeah, I watched your wheel. You haven't been there. Okay, he ate half of it already. So, I like the idea of it. Oh, he's such a good boy. He's peeing in his toilet. Number 2. Open it. Open number 2. Open number 2. My assistant is opening. Oh, banana. Let's go, banana. If Hamilton likes it. Hamilton. Hamilton. Do you like it? You like your bananas? You like your bananas? Oh, he likes a banana? Oh, he still is. That's so funny. But he likes number 2. Number 3. Yes, let's see. Oh, no. Oh, it's a cookie. So let's see if Hamilton likes the cookie. Hamilton. Hello. Wanna have a cookie? You wanna have a cookie? Oh, Hamilton loves the cookie. How would you take that one, huh? Be the tough one. For number 4, it's number 4 today. What do we have? Oh, let me see if Hamilton is a fan of this or not. Hi, baby. Oh yes. Oh yes, he likes his number 4. Oh yes, he likes his number 4. Just take a bath. Look how cute. That's a good one. Number 5. Let me see. Oh, yesterday we had carrots, and today, what can this be? Can this be? Oh, smells lovely. Oh. Oh, Hamilton likes his day number 5. So cute. Oh, yay! Bravo! For 5, number 6. Where is number 6? Here. Oh, what is this? They smell delicious. Let's see if Hamilton likes it. Hamilton, kom ut! Oh, he's coming out. Hey, babe. Oh, you love your heart. So cute. As always, very sleepy. This was my first 6 days of Christmas calendar for Hamilton, and I want to say thank you so much for watching. And I'm getting better from my cold, so fingers crossed I will be good soon. Bye!